Hello everyone, Carlos here. Today we're exploring a tool that could fundamentally change how we learn online. Think about all the times you have searched for how-to videos. There are billions of educational videos on platforms like YouTube, many of which show you how to use a software to complete a specific task. In fact, it is estimated that 51% of the 4 billion videos on YouTube are educational, and around a billion of them show you how to do something on a screen. But what if there was a way to get real-time personalized help directly from your computer? That's where AI tools like Google AI Studio with its Gemini 2.0 model come in. This isn't just another piece of software. It is a new way to learn. It has a multimodal live input feature, allowing real-time interaction with your voice, your camera, and your screen. Imagine being able to ask questions about the software you are using and get immediate on-screen assistance. With this kind of help, will traditional how-to videos become less relevant for learners? Will they become obsolete? In fact, after creating more than 200 video tutorials, I found that Google AI Studio could replace any screen share how-to video tutorial. For DIY, do-it-yourself learners, tools like Gemini 2.0 will be incredibly powerful, allowing them to find information they need instantly for free. The purpose of this video is to show you how Gemini 2.0 can interact with software in real time and to discuss how this changed the learning experience for all of us. Remember, the AI is already here, and we should learn to use it to our advantage instead of fearing it. To get started with the Google AI Studio, you can find the link in the description. You will need to log in with your Google account. Also, make sure that the Gemini 2.0 experimental feature is enabled. Finally, remember to select a streamlined real-time option for real-time interaction. Let's get started with an example. We have accessed the tool Google AI Studio. On the right, we have selected the model Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental, and we are going to select Stream Real-Time. Here is where we have the option to share our screen by clicking here. We can also select here, Select Video Source. It will allow us to select what we want to share. We select Screen, and then we are going to choose Entire Screen. Then we select the entire screen and click on Share. And now we are ready to start interacting with Google AI Studio. Can you confirm you can hear it?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you tell us about Google AI Studio?
Sure, Google AI Studio is a platform where you can experiment with and build AI models. It provides tools to prototype, test, and deploy AI applications. Would you like to know more details about it?
Yes. Can you tell me about the Stream Real-Time feature?
Certainly, the Stream Realtime feature in Google AI Studio allows you to see live audio transcriptions as you speak. It's useful for testing and fine-tuning models in real time. Did you have other questions about this feature?
Yes. Can I share my screen with you?
Yes, you can share your screen with me.
And are you able to guide me on the steps that I need to do on any software?
Yes, I can guide you on the steps you need to take on any software. Just let me know what you'd like to do.
I would like to open Microsoft Outlook, and I would like some guidance there.
Okay, I understand that you want to open Microsoft Outlook. To do that, you can click on the Windows Start button, typically at the bottom left of your screen, and then type Outlook. You should then see the application listed, click on it to open it. Does that work for you?
Yes, give me just a moment to open Outlook.
Okay, I'll wait while you open Outlook.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen now with Microsoft Outlook open. What would you like to do next?
I would like to create a new signature for my emails. How can I do that?
Okay, I can help you with that. In Outlook, you can create a new email signature by clicking on File in the top left, then selecting Options. In the Options window, click on Mail, and then click on the Signatures button. Is this making sense?
Yes. Allow me to go step by step. Give me just one moment. I will click on File.
Okay, let's go step by step. First, you'll click on File in the top left corner of the Outlook window and then select Options. You'll be able to see a menu open on the left side, is that right?
Yes, I do.
Great, now that you have the Outlook options open, you should see Mail on the left-hand side. Can you select that?
Yes, I see it here.
Great, now click on Mail and you should see a new screen pop up. Then look for Signatures on the right-hand side and click it.
Okay, I see Signatures.
Great, now that you've clicked Signatures, a new window should have opened, correct? You will now be able to create a new signature.
Perfect. So I will click on New.
Okay, now you can click the New button in the top right part of the Signatures and Stationery window. You can then type a name for the signature, which is shown on the left side. Does this work for you?
Yes, it does. Let me type the name.
Okay, it looks like you've entered the name of the signature. You can now press OK to move on.
Great.
Great! Now in the Edit Signature text box, you can type what you want your new signature to be. Once you're done, you can click Save, and it will be available to use in your emails.
Thank you. I think I can take it from here.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Not for the moment. Thank you.
You're welcome, and thank you for using my services today.
Can you now tell me how to write a signature in Gmail?
Okay, to write a signature in Gmail, you'll need to go to Settings, which is the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, click See All Settings.
Okay,
Then go to the General tab, scroll down to
Hold on a second. Yeah, let me start with go to Settings. Give me just a moment.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. Once you are in the settings, please let me know.
Okay, I'm clicking on Settings. And then
Okay,
what
I see
is
the settings menu. Now, click on See All Settings.
Okay, thank you.
Now that you're in the settings, go to the General tab, which should be the first tab on that list.
Perfect. I'm there.
Okay, great. Now scroll down until you see the Signature section.
I see it here.
Okay, great. Now click on the plus Create New button. This will allow you to create a new signature for your emails.
Okay, I got it. It seems that I have to write a name for the signature, right?
Yes, exactly. Go ahead and type in the name of your signature and then click Create.
Perfect. It seems that now I can create my signature from here.
Yes, that's right. You can now type your signature in the text box there, and you can customize it with the formatting options above it.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you have any more questions in the future.
I think that's it for now.
Okay, sounds good. Have a great day.
So, what does this all mean for learners? We have just seen how Gemini 2.0 can provide instant on-screen help with learning to use a software. This tool can respond directly to your action on the screen, giving you specific help when you need it. This means that the way we learn online might be about to change. If you can ask questions and get instant answer, the need to search through long how-to videos might disappear, or at least significantly reduced. With tools like this one, learning will become more personalized and efficient. Instead of passively watching tutorials, you will be able to actively engage with the software and get specific help when you are working on a task. This will mean that learning will be less about consuming generic information and more about getting tailored assistance based on your specific needs. Therefore, I encourage you to think about how these AI tools will impact your learning strategies. Google AI Studio will allow you to be assistant on how to do any task on your computer. Now, we have just talked about the how-to videos experience. However, you can share anything on your screen and ask questions. Imagine if you share your website and ask for a way to improve it, to make it more appealing and clear. Or you could share your screen with an spreadsheet and ask to analyze the data on it. Maybe you are working on a project and need advice or coaching. It seems that Gemini 2.0 could help you with that as well. In the end, the result will probably depend on how you ask your questions. Take into account that this is just the beginning. The potential of tools like this one can become limitless. I'm personally excited about this type of development and the type of things you can do. I hope you like this video and find it useful. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. You can subscribe to see more videos like this one as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Remember, stay safe in the cloud and keep tech savvy.